Hello everybody, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening depending on where you are in this amazing world. My name is Donovan Jolly, and welcome everybody once again for another amazing video of DIY investing. I am so excited to share with you guys this update because this is finally the day of the token release for a crypto I have been waiting over 2 years for. Now that the tokens are released, there is a lot of really cool announcements that I have to share with you guys. An NFT marketplace, a new wallet, as well as an NFT index. All of this, in my opinion, is going to see the price of this token do phenomenally well over the next couple years of this bull run. And so for today's video, I'm going to be updating you guys with all that needs to be said about this new crypto because I see a ton of value to be made very soon. If you're new and just found this channel, always remember to do me a favor by leaving a like, comment, and subscribing. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these amazing videos like the one provided for you here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And with that being said, let's jump right into it today. Alrighty guys, I am so excited to share with you this update. I have been waiting so long to make a new update on Korea Network, and for everybody that's been asking me why haven't I made one in so long, the simple answer is I've just been waiting for the tokens to release. I told Dominic that once the tokens release and he's finished building, that was going to be the point where I'll make another update, and so feel free to reach out once that has happened. Well guys, the tokens have been released. Korea is now trading on the open market. For anybody that participated in this opportunity, the tokens have been distributed to your wallets and associated addresses with the pre-sale. And so anybody that wants to actually go ahead and find their tokens can go ahead and do so. Anybody that's been distributed or participated will have those tokens. And so I'm excited to share with you guys this update because the day is finally here. Now that the day of the tokens is released, there's a lot of really cool updates that I wanted to share with you guys. And it's literally blown me away to see how much development has taken place, how much Dominic has continued to build, and he's actually far surpassed any of my expectations. And I will be 100% real in saying that. Now guys, the big things that we need to talk about for today's video: the Korea marketplace, the NFT pilot, and the upcoming Korea wallet. These are three things that are so important because it shows how much Dominic has actually gone out and built behind the scenes. The big thing that I see the most value for the next cycle is the Korea marketplace. Now, the big reason why this marketplace is more valuable than other marketplaces inside of the market. For example, let's compare OpenSea, Rarible, and LooksRare as three examples. These three examples are vastly different because of the fact when we go ahead and use OpenSea, Rarible, or LooksRare, and we buy, let's say, a Bored Ape Yacht Club, that NFT itself isn't fully stored on the blockchain, right? And so on top of that, when we use OpenSea, the creator gets a certain cut of every transaction that gets done, and that's a capped amount. We can't adjust that or change that. So on LooksRare, you're going to get 2.5% of every transaction that goes back to the creators. On OpenSea, I believe it's 3 to 5%. I don't know what it is on Rarible. Now, one of the cool things with the Korea market is the fact that if you look at these NFTs down here, all of the data is stored on the blockchain. When we're looking at the Bored Ape Yacht Club, the only thing that's stored on the blockchain is the token, right? So this image of whatever the Bored Ape is, it's not actually on the blockchain. So if the internet goes offline, there's no way of even proving you have that Bored Ape. It just says that you have a token. That's an ER721, right? And so with all these NFTs, none of them are stored on the blockchain. All you're owning is a token. The reason I love Korea Network and the reason I love the marketplace that they're building is because of the fact every one of these NFTs down here, everything is stored on the blockchain. That means that the token is stored on the blockchain. That means that the image file and all of the source data is stored on the blockchain. Nothing isn't stored on the blockchain. And so if something were to go down, stuff goes offline, I can still get on the blockchain and verify that I own that NFT and that I can see the picture associated with it. I can see the data and I can prove it on the blockchain. That is something that isn't being done right now. Now on top of that, let's assume that I create an NFT project and I want to release it onto the Korea marketplace. If I do that, I can personally go out and pick how much I want the creator fee to be set by. And I can adjust it anywhere from 0% up to 10%. That is really cool because if I use OpenSea or if I use Rarible or LooksRare, it's a capped amount. I can't change it. And so if I actually create a project that requires inside of the tokenomics that a certain amount of every NFT sell goes back to the treasury, I literally can't even do that on OpenSea or LooksRare unless I just make the amount as the same amount that they accept on the marketplace. And so with the Korea network, let's assume that I go and launch my own NFT. I can literally go launch the NFT on the Korea market. 100% of that data is stored on the blockchain, and then I can also hand pick how much I earn off of every single one of those fees. I could earn 0%, I could earn 1%, I could earn 5%, or I could earn up to 10% on every single one of the NFTs that gets sold. That puts more power inside of the creator, inside of the person that's launching the projects. And in my opinion, that's something that you don't have the opportunity of on other platforms. And I see a lot of value in that. I see a lot of value in the fact that none of these other platforms are 100% hosting all of the data on the blockchain. And that's what I see the value inside of a Korea network. Now guys, another big thing, these NFT indexes. When it comes to looking for new opportunities inside of the market and new NFTs that haven't even released yet, the only way to find those is through these indexes. So if you're somebody that's looking for new opportunities inside of the NFT market, you have to be following these NFT indexes if you're ever going to even see what's to be released or what is about to be released. And so Korea went out and actually purchased this index. And so now we have a source to be able to post all of the NFTs that are being posted inside of the Korea marketplace. And on top of that, for anybody that's just following new projects and waiting to see which ones are going to be good to buy into, now we have an opportunity to go ahead and follow those. Now another big thing, guys, block ships. The reason why I love block ships compared to all of these other NFTs is because block ships is the only NFT that is 100% stored on the blockchain. Bored Apes, Azuki, CloneX, Mutant Apes, Doodles, all of these, it's only the token that's stored on the blockchain. And so if anything went offline, there is no way to prove who owns what Bored Ape or to even tell that there's any difference. All you have is the token. Blockships is 100% stored on the blockchain. That is all the image file, that is the sourcing, that is the token, that is everything. It's all stored on the blockchain. And so to see that this is actually trending up here on the Binance NFT marketplace, it goes to show that there's other people out there that see the value in what Korea is building. Now guys, really the last thing I want to talk to you guys about on today's video is these supported staking assets. And this one being Pulse Chain. I am so bullish on Pulse Chain. You guys already know that I believe that this is going to be a big project that creates a lot of opportunity for making a lot of money. And so to see Korea actually offering this as a staking asset, there's going to be a lot of money that's being made inside of the Pulse Chain network. And so any crypto that is actively adding support of Pulse Chain before it releases, there's going to be a lot of people from the Pulse Chain network that are going to be looking for new opportunities, and Korea is going to present itself as one of those. I really believe in what Dominic is building. And if I didn't believe in what Dominic was building, I wouldn't have been supporting the project since all the way back in like 2020 or early 2021. I can't remember exactly when, but it was over 2 years ago that I've been supporting this. At the very beginning of when I started supporting this, all Korea was the idea that it would be an Oracle solution that was better than Chainlink. It was going to fix some of the different issues with Chainlink. I was a big believer in Chainlink, and I still am. And so I believed in Dominic, and I believed in a Korea network enough to sit here and continue to support it all the way through. Now, the time has come where the tokens are released, and so to look back on the last couple of years of development, in my opinion, Dominic has gone out there, he has done everything that he said he was going to, and he's actually over-delivered on a lot of those promises. There was never any sort of indication that there was going to be NFTs, there was never any indication of any sort of major wallet or any of this stuff, and so for him to come out and actually be building this, going above and beyond, aside from just the Oracle, and adding multiple different avenues of opportunity for support and money to flow into, I don't really think that you can sit here and just sit here and throw FUD and shade towards a Korea network. They've gone out, they've built what they said that they were going to, and they've continued to add new support in different ways. That to me is what you want to see inside of a project that's building, especially at the bottom of the bear market, guys. One of the big things I want you guys to remember here is every single bull cycle, we measure how to know when the bottom of the bear market is by measuring the peak low of the bear market all the way to the peak low of the next bear market. And that will equal 1,450 days. Because of the fact we follow these 4-year cycles, it's easy to map out when the time to get in and out of the market is. Exactly 1,450 days ago was our cycle low for Bitcoin in 2018. And so we are right there on path with our next major point of a bear market bottom for Bitcoin. We all know the cryptos that do the very best are the cryptos that launch the closest to the very bottom of the bear market. Now that the Korea Network token is now distributed, it is now live and open for trading, There is literally no reason to be super bearish about this project. They've gone out, they have developed everything that they said they were going to, they've released more than they said they were going to, and the token is now releasing at a major bottoming point of the bear market. Guys, the tokens that do the best are the ones that launch right here and right here, and they ride out the entire bull cycle on the way up. A Korea network is launching right here at the same exact major threshold for a cycle low. Even if we get one more little panic, it doesn't matter for the fact that I believe we're going to be having another 2 to 3 years of just up-only bull markets, right? When that happens, you guys want to be able to find the cryptos that have been building throughout the bear, that have been releasing new updates, that have been actively saying everything that they were going to do, but then most importantly, building what they were going to do and releasing what they were going to do. Korea has done all of that. Korea has only given me more inclination that this is a bullish market that will do very well in the long term. And so now that the tokens are released, I'm really excited. I want to give you guys this update. There will be more updates to come as we go. I just wanted to give you guys this quick update because I told Dom I would release a new one once the tokens had been released and distributed. The day is here. Go check your wallets. Go ahead and check everything out. I'm really excited. I hope you guys found value in this video. If you guys did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these amazing updates. If you guys want to join the Discord server, download my free ebook, sign up for my video course or signals, follow all the trades that I take. Links are going to be in the description to go ahead and join. Thank you guys so much. And with that being said, I will catch you in the next one. As always, peace out.